Director General of the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, Dr. Kashifu Inuwa, has continued to canvass for the deployment of technology and artificial intelligence, AI, into Nigeria's current struggle for economic diversification and general development. Director General of the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, Kashifu Inuwa, disclosed this in Abuja. Here is more on this report.
Speaking at a one-day lecture organized by the Economic Confidential, Director General of the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, Kashifu Inuwa, identified AI as a key factor to be embraced to drive Nigeria's economy into a prosperous one, adding that digital economy using AI has the potential of driving Nigeria's economy up to 20% GDP.
So that will help to improve productivity. And based on research by Epoch AI, there is a model they developed that if we can use AI to automate 30% of our tasks today, that could lead to economic growth of 20% per year. So imagine having 20% economic growth per year. That means our target of achieving $1 trillion economy is possible if we can adopt AI in Nigeria.
Inuwa added that Nigeria cannot afford to miss the fourth industrial revolution after losing out in the first three revolutions. It reviewed ongoing collaborations with the Ministry of Education to build digital literacy into Nigerian educational system, national curriculum, and with the Office of the Heads of Service of the Federation to enhance civil service training.
The research we are focusing on AI, IoT, UAV, blockchain, robotics, and additive manufacturing. All these are general purpose technology. Are technologies that can help us to 10x productivity in agri, in health, in education, in anything you can think of, even journalism. Because today, if you use technology, you can improve whatever you do. Even the crisis management, as usual mentioned, AI can help us manage crisis.
In his own contribution, the president of the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations, NIPR, who spoke through Dr. Afolabi Olajuwon of the Budget Office of the Federation, warned that any nation, especially in Africa, that fails to embrace the digital revolution will be left behind in the global development.
The renewed whole agenda challenges us to harness technology not merely as consumers, but as a creator or creators, innovators, and exporters of digital solutions. To achieve this, collaboration among government, private sector, academia, and the media is not optional. It is critical and essential.
DG NITDA pleaded with Nigerian leaders to ensure that the country joins forces with international policymakers to chart a new path to a prosperous nation.